If you're on YouTube looking for the answers, you want to find a way to create a life you love, to have miracle transformations, I want to invite you to a 5-day Superconscious challenge where I will teach you how to connect to your superconscious and be able to create anything and everything you desire fast. My name is Duncan, and you may have seen some of my videos online. I was featured in a movie with Tony Robbins and the Dalai Lama and amongst other amazing people, because about 6 years ago, I was able to be trained how to connect to my superconscious to be able to create what it is that I love and really take ownership over this amazing unified field that we live in. Some of the amazing results we've had includes a man going from being blind to being able to see again. Not because of me, but because he was able to reconnect to who he is and what he is. We've had people have x-ray proof of tumors disappearing, and it has nothing to do with me, it's the work. I want you to know this. You're superconscious. You have an aspect of you that you've hardly even tapped into. When you collapsed into this limited perspective to have a human experience, what happened was you forgot the aspects of you that are actually connected to everything. You are everything and you are one. And I would be so excited to train you on this. In 5 days, I'm going to show you how you can connect to your superconscious and create massive, fast, and lasting transformation. How to use it for intuition, connect to the innocence of you as a child. It was an amazing, amazing experience that we took people through, and I'd love you to join as well. So on day 1, I'm going to give you an introduction to how you can use this part of you to create transformation. Day 2, I want to help you understand why and how we've landed where we are using quantum physics and the latest breakthroughs in neuroscience and epigenetics, some that you may have heard before, but you'll be able to apply in a different way. I love standing on the shoulders of Joe Dispenza and Gregg Braden and Bruce Lipton, Lynne Mctaggart, other people who use science and unified field theory, and being able to then take that together and teach you how to access the part of you that's everything. I love bridging science, spirituality, and universal principles of hermetic law, of alchemy, and of wisdom. And it's very important. On day 3, I'm going to teach you a process to reconnect to innocence, which alchemists over the age have always been talking about the philosopher's secret, or the secret fire. And this is innocence, it's imagination, and it's connecting to that. I'll show you how to do it on day 3. Day 4, we do something where we remove all resistance to anything you have, and on the last day I give you a 12-month plan to become super conscious. So look, if you're still watching this video, I'm so excited to say that it's free. You can come and spend 5 days with us. It's free, it's online. You can come through this amazing transformation and become super conscious, because truthfully, most personal development teaches you to look outside of yourself, when all the answers are in you remembering and becoming that which you always have been and always will be. You just need to have a working relationship with the superconscious. My name is Duncan, and if you're inspired to join me, click on the link and I'll see you in the training. It's 5 days, starts next week. I'm so excited if that's for you. If not, you'll be able to go back to whatever it is that you're watching on YouTube, and I hope that you thoroughly enjoy it. Stay magnetic, have an absolutely amazing life, an amazing creation. And if you want to produce miracles, have miracle transformations, and be able to connect to your superconscious, come and join me. It's free, and I won't let you down.